Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. But before I get started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, select all for all of our updates. Let's go. I have a 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Gorgeous cardinal red, black wheels, color matching bumpers and handles. Perfect color scheme, black and red. Always sells. It's gorgeous. 6.2 liter V8, so on average 16 miles a gallon. 10-speed automatic transmission. Come inside here and you have the AT4 interior with the black leather and Kalahari stitching and inserts. You have a sunroof. You have power locks, windows, mirrors, memory driver seats, an amazing Bose stereo system. Blind spot monitoring. Come inside here, here's all your light functions here for your tow haul mode. Four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, your automatic headlights, your interior lights. You have heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth. This 22 does have 24,388 miles. So you still have the remaining factory warranty left and a little bit of the bumper to bumper. Come over here and you have an 8-inch colored touch diagonal infotainment system with built-in navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have a 360 camera system that's HD, really nice. Heated and vented seats. You have dual climate control, as you can see, 76 and 65. Come right here and you have your lane keep assist, your parking sensors, tailgate down. I mean, just a bunch of nice little comfort features. Wireless charging. Let's move to the back here. This is a crew cab, as you can see. You have storage underneath these seats. Comes with these GMC all-weather floor mats with carpet inserts. Some charging ports back there. High rise, high step right there for the AT4, and that way you have more clearance underneath. You have a side step with a bumper. You have a multi-pro flex tailgate. It's been out for several years now, so I'm not going through all the functions of it, but this is the most popular. Step is good for 375 pounds. Here's your handle for it. Spray and bed liner. Look, this thing will not last long. You also have your dual chrome performance tips, and this thing sounds nice. Like I said, this thing will not last long. It's getting put on the lot right now, and it will not be here by this weekend. I can guarantee that. So my number's down in the description. So there's the social media links. Also at the end of the video, like I said, contact me, call, text me. Let's talk numbers, make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Don't wait until it's too late, because it will not be here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.